the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Please Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, had formally inaugurated the state's 12th district on the 10th of November 2021 at TIEHPDANG under MAIRANG Civil Subdivision. The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, METBAH LYNGDOH, Cabinet ministers, government officials and other invitees had witnessed the momentous event in the presence of a huge gathering of local residents, visitors and others. It may be reminded that on 5th November, the Cabinet had approved the upgrading of the MAIRANG Civil Subdivision to a full-fledged district called the East and West Khasi Hills District. While the entire local populace had welcomed this move by the state government, yet most are unhappy with the name given to the newly created district. Wilfred Nongsej has been designated as the new Deputy Commissioner of the East and West Khasi Hills District with its headquarters at MAIRANG. During the inaugural function, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while congratulating the people of MAIRANG and Mount Hatraishan constituencies on the new district, stated that the creation of this particular district is the government's intention to bring administration closer to the people. Conrad Sangma added that the MDA government is a government of the people and has been trying its best to bring in development to the state without discrimination on the basis of caste, religion or demography.
Forward in trying to find a resolution to those issues. We have been a public-oriented and a public-centric and a government which is for the people of our state. And while saying that, every time I have a development program or a project I inaugurate in Khasi Hills, inevitably there is a message from Garo Hills saying, what about Garo Hills? Whenever I inaugurate something in Garo Hills, inevitably there is a message saying, what about Jente Hills? Friends, let me tell you, this MDA government does not discriminate based on tribe or based on caste or based on religion. For us, we don't differentiate between Khasis or Garos or Jaintias or Christians, Hindus, Muslims, Saint Khasi. For us, every single citizen of this state is an important person to us. Whoever needs the development and whoever deserves the... For us, every single citizen of this state is an important person to us. Whoever needs the development and whoever deserves the development, it is the duty of this government to ensure that we give that development in whatever way possible to the people of our state without differentiating of tribe, without differentiating on the basis of region or without differentiating on the basis of religion.
On behalf of the people of MAIRANG and Mount Hatraishan, the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and also MLA of MAIRANG constituency, METBAH LYNGDOH, thanked Chief Minister Conrad Sangma for his kind and supporting gesture through his presence at the inauguration of the newly created East and West Khasi Hills district of the state.
Chief Minister, it's my privilege to welcome you and to thank you also at the same time for accepting the invitation on my behalf, on behalf of the MLA of the Meghalaya'S constituency, and on behalf of the people of the MAIRANG civil solution, to be with us here in this gathering. A special day for each and every one of us. Thank you very much, Mr. Chief Minister, for your kindness and for your warm support to us, the people of the MAIRANG civil solution.
An award ceremony for students of the district who had excelled in the last SSLC, HSSLC and degree examinations was held after the official function. A musical extravaganza to celebrate the day was also held where local artists of the state had enthralled the audience with renditions of traditional, folk and western numbers.